So basically, I just started chatting someone until this pops up, bro. Bro, here is it. Bro, look at this. Look. Then delete a man who loved too much. Goodbye, my Antonio. What? Bro, my surname is Antonio. So, anyways, let me just show the other ones. So, this is how it. Bro, look. Done. Drops to the ground, clutching just as years of battle flashed before his eyes. I survived bullets, bayonets, ambushes, bitter love's escapes, only to die here, not from enemy fire, but from love's betrayal. What the hell? So, let me just show the next one, bro. Let me stop yapping. Bro, look. Look at this. What it's... I already did. You can't unsay love. Watch me try. Try harder. Say you never loved me. General Luna. I never freaking loved you, bro. Why the hell would I... Actually, this is a random phone. There's a land called France for the naked ladies dance, and the men play drums on the naked ladies' bombs, and the way they shake is enough to kill a snake. When the snake is dead, they put roses on its head. Okay, bye guys. Wait, I have something to show. Wait. Look. Wait, where is it? Bro.